Welcome to 5-Minute Finance, your go-to source for financial education. Today, we are breaking down the complexities of the USA stock market, making it accessible for beginners. Whether you're planning to invest or just curious, this video is your comprehensive guide. Let's get started. Hello everyone, I'm excited to be your guide on this journey through the USA stock market. We'll start with the basics and gradually build your understanding. So, if you're ready, let's dive into the world of stocks. First of all, we need to understand what is the stock market. Before we jump into how the USA stock market works, let's understand what it is. The stock market is like a giant marketplace for buying and selling ownership in companies. When you invest in stocks, you're essentially buying a piece of that company. But how does it all function? Let's find out. So, to put it simply, the stock market is where you can buy and sell shares of companies. But how does this affect you as a beginner investor? Strike around to find out. Let's get into stock market structure. The USA stock market has a structured setup. It consists of stock exchanges such as the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ. These exchanges provide a platform for buyers and sellers to trade stocks. Stocks are listed with ticker symbols like AAPL for Apple and MSFT for Microsoft. These ticker symbols are like unique codes for each company stock. They make trading simpler and more efficient. Now let's move on how these stocks are actually bought and sold. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder in that company. You can buy as many shares as you want, and the price of each share can fluctuate throughout the trading day. To make a purchase, you'll need a brokerage account. Now let's talk about how you can make informed decisions when buying stock. Analyzing the stock. Understanding how to analyze stock is crucial. You can use two main methods, fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis assesses a company's financial health, while technical analysis looks at historical price patterns. Analyzing stocks might sound intimidating, but we'll break it down into easy-to-follow steps. In another video, you'll have a grasp on both methods. So for the beginners, as a beginner, you'll want to start with some practical tips. Diversify your portfolio, stay informed, and consider long-term investing. It's also crucial to manage your risk and not let emotions drive your decisions. These tips can be your compass in the stock market journey. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Congratulations! You have now unlocked the basics of the USA stock market, from understanding what the stock market is to buying your first stock. You are well on your way to financial empowerment. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial wisdom. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and as always, happy investing. Stay tuned for more exciting videos on finance, investing, and wealth building. Remember, the stock market is a tool for your financial future. Use it wisely and watch your wealth grow. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now, and remember, knowledge is your greater asset.